let the water get out of the tank, and you must turn off the van supply gas, and take the connection. Turn off here, turn off on the supply in front of the building, and turn off here, and take the connection. And take off the supply cold water here. Take off the turn off the supply water here, and take the connection cold water, and take the connection hot water to the building. Here the hot water to the building. The cold water take out, and open the connection the supply water to the tank, and open the connection the hot water from the tank to the apartment, to the unit. I take out, and I let the water come out so that it can lie. Now it's heavy because too much water in here. The second time I change the water heater in my apartment for me by myself. I know the knowledge, so that I use the here to open the connection between cold water to the tank, and the hot water from the tank to the unit. Now I let the connection gas, supply gas to the tank. So that now I let the water come out, so that the tank empty. It's very line, and easy to take out. So now it's heavy because too much water in the tank, and it's time to take out the water. Now I have just moved out the old tank already. The supply cold water, the supply hot water to the unit apartment. I just take out the old. I put it here. Here the old. Oh, it's a long time. It was made in 1998. 1998. It was made a long time ago. 1998. You see, 1998. 1998. Yeah, 2010. 20 2024. I have just buy a new one. Figure the second. After I put the first Now I put the second. Yeah, I put the first here. It's working very good. Yeah. Now I try to put the second water heater. I have just bought yesterday. Now I put the new water heater into the unit. Now I have just moved the new tank water heater into right position. The couple thermostat. The gas supply to connect here. Yeah, and the cold water supply cold water I close. So now I measure the long enough to connect to the connection. I have a check on, yeah, and here cold water from the supply cold water to the tank, and I measure the here the hot water connection, the hot water from the tank to the unit. I measure and cut and connection, cut the pie, the copper pie, and put a yeah, I measure and I cut the pie and connection. You use the cutter to like that. It's not impact any connection well. It's not impact. It's very easy to cut. You tie slowly, and make it go round the pie. It will cut. It not. I have a jet cut. You see? I have a jet cut. Pie already. I have a jet cut. By zero piston. Easy to cut. It's not vibration. In order to protect other well than before. Yeah. If you they other, it make vibration. It make pressure, so that it not good at the well you than before. So that you use what you piston to do easily and perfectly. You before you cut up the man, the go supply water. You turn off the van supply and open the faucet low 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 risk faucet. Let the water come out, and you use and when you cut the water come out, you use the bottle to collect the water, like me. Yeah, some cool water still in the pie. When you cut it, go out, so that you use the bottle to collect the water. Like me, yeah, fun, so that the water go out, leak out. Use the bottle to collect. Now I finish install the second no water heater by myself. It's now working. You see the line, green line. So that I share with you the second time I install the new water heater by myself. Yeah, 6 years warranty. 6 years warranty is here. Right here. The second high I install is in very not too much room. It not too much room, so that it can difficult the first there are too much room for me to do, but the second no big room, only short room, so that it take me time to moving the new 10 water heater into right position, and install this. Now it's working perfectly. This is the O. This is O. I have it just take out. I take out, and I take out everything. The burner. Sensor. The sensor, the old sensor is still working. I take out. Yeah, the device supply gas to the tank of the water heater 3 to an other. I have it just take out from the old tank. It is old have just take out today and put the new one. The second, yeah, the first is now working perfectly. Now the old first is looking at the bottom, but the second is looking in the top of the tank. Looking in the top of the tank. I check out to find the leaking. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you again next video. Bye bye. See you soon. I hope you enjoy my video.